Hello, welcome to Cultured Cuisine. We will be making today an exciting dessert recipe today. It's really simple. We're making sooji ka halwa, which is semolina pudding. For that I have here 1.5 cup of sugar. I'm using brown granulated sugar. You can use white sugar. 1 cup of semolina, 1 cup of almond powder. They're ground almonds, 6 green cardamoms, a handful of raisins. This is just kevra water with some saffron. This is almond and pistachio for garnishing. I have here half cup of cream and half cup of ghee, clarified butter. Let's get cooking. Okay, I've added half a cup of ghee, clarified butter in my pan. I'm going to add the cardamoms so it gets nice and hot until they start crackling, and then I'm going to add the semolina in here. You can hear the crackling sound. You just need to infuse the oil with this fragrance and the flavor. These are cracked, so the seeds inside will get hot oil as well inside them. Okay, now I'm going to add the semolina in here. We need to brown it. Nice color until starts to change color. Need to keep stirring it, otherwise it can get burned. You can see it started to change color slightly from underneath, so I need to keep moving it, stirring it continuously. I'm going to turn the heat down before I add water in here, because it will start to boil really quickly and the water will come up. So I need to turn the heat down. Now I'm going to add water in here. It's changed color and it's nice and fragrant. Semolina now. I'm going to add about a couple of cups of water. Let it cook. And now I'm going to add almond powder and sugar. Okay, it's ready. It's out in the dish. I'm going to sprinkle some chopped almonds and pistachios. And I'm going to decorate it top with the silver leaf. This is completely optional. It's up to you. If you have it available easily, you can garnish it with this. If not, then you can omit it. It's just optional. It's not necessary at all. Okay, here we have Suji ka halwa or semolina pudding. Please remember to subscribe my channel Cultural Cuisine if you have not done it yet. Remember to give it a thumbs up if you like the recipe and press the bell icon to receive the notification of upcoming videos. Thank you so much for watching Cultural Cuisine.